Hey traders, all the predictions that I made last week played out nicely, and if you had courage to follow the New Zealand yen long trade with me, you definitely made a very nice profit. In this video we'll discuss euro dollar, gold, pound dollar, and we will discuss how to wisely short Ethereum, because I see a very nice reversal formation there. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start. So let's start with the pound dollar, and for us it is very important to realize that in a mid-term perspective, pound dollar is consolidating. The pair is trading in a sideways, and if we follow the recent price action, you can see that after this very nice local bearish trend, we started to trade in sideways, and for now the price is trading in a quite wide trading range. Here is your structural resistance. This is so far our closest strong structural resistance. So far that structure is not broken. You can see that we see very strong bearish movements from that structure, and the level, the area around 1.4 level so far is the closest major resistance to trade from. If you are a bearish bias trader, if you are a pullback trader, you must wait for the test of that structure again to look for your pullback trade from that. If you are a bullish bias trader, if you're looking for a very nice buying opportunity, of course you must wait for the breakout of that structure first. Only when that structure is broken to the upside, only then we can expect a strong bullish continuation to retest the current structure high. Concerning the support, obviously our closest strong structure support is right here. You can see that so far we have the equal lows based on that structure support, and definitely that structure holds. And we must remember that in the long run pound dollar is trading in a very strong bullish trend. So once that structure is reached, we can look for buying opportunities from here. We can look for a very nice long opportunity, expecting a bullish continuation all the way up to the resistance of the range. So your task right here is to be patient and to wait until one of the structure levels is reached, and then once they are reached, you are looking for the intraday confirmation, for the reversal pattern, for the reversal candle to buy or short the market. But I wanted to show you one more interesting thing on a higher time frame. Hey traders, and I want to remind you that it is the last chance for you to become a member of my premium educational group on a huge discount. The offer expires this weekend. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn price action, if you want to learn my trading strategy, it is just the best place for you to be. It is 40% off on the lifetime access. You will get the ebook with my trading strategy, you will get the access to the live streams, and you will get a lot of educational videos. Check vasilytrader.com/private group or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. Don't miss your chance. I'm on a 3D chart, and here we see the price action from April 2020, and of course we see a lot of details right here, and definitely the trend here is bullish. But moreover, if we pay attention to the highs and lows right here, we can identify very important trend lines. As you can see, if we start drawing a trend line from this high lows, based on this high lows, we can see this major rising trend line that was respected many times by the market, and from where we saw very strong bullish swings. If we take the higher highs, we can also identify a trend line, and you can see that currently the pair is trading in this major rising channel. And of course, the support of this channel will be very important for the market maker, for the big players, and of course, it is the additional support for you to watch. So we identified a strong horizontal support on a daily chart, but also we have a strong major rising trend line on a 3D chart. So next week, pay attention to them both. Yes, because very nice swing loan opportunity can be caught from the structures. So again, we're waiting for the confirmation. Once the price reaches that, we don't blindly buy, but we wait for the intra-day confirmation, not to be caught by the false signal. Talking about gold, again, we must bring back the key levels. Yes, on a daily chart, we are looking for the major key levels, because from them we are looking for trading opportunities. And first of all, I want to remind you that here was our major structural resistance. And this week, unfortunately, the market didn't manage to reach that structure. For now, we see the retracement leg, and so far that structure is not reached. And moreover, we earlier discussed with you this this wedge pattern. The price was trading within this rising wedge pattern, and that wedge was broken into the downside. And I know that for many of you right now it is appealing to sell. You see the breakout of this wedge and you say, Vasily, it is the great selling opportunity. And during this week I received a lot of messages from followers about shorting gold. But the main problem with shorting gold right now is the support. Over here we have so strong structure support. Look, here we have this support cluster. You can see how wide it is. And moreover, look, yesterday we saw the rejection from the support. We see the willingness of buyers to buy from the support. Once that support was touched, we saw the immediate bullish reaction. So the main problem is that for shorting, the profit potential is so limited. If you short the market, you will face the buying volumes from that structure support. So what I suggest is doing right here, I want that zone to be reached. Let the price reach that zone. Don't sell it. I don't want you to sell. In my view, it is very risky. Instead, let's follow the trend. Locally, we are trading in a bullish trend. Yes, and so far we call that the retracement. And at some moment we expect a bullish continuation. So my plan is the following. Because I'm bullish biased, I want that structure to be reached first. Then we'll look for the intraday confirmation, for the reversal pattern right here, for the double bottom, the inverted head and shoulders, for some reversal formation, and we buy expecting the retest of this local high first. And then remember, we projected that most likely the price will reach that structural resistance. So this is our goal. We will follow the trend. Locally we are bullish, the market is bullish right here. After this equal lows right here, the market started to grow. We see very nice growth in gold. So let's follow the trend. Trend is our friend right here, so let's just try to follow. Yes, I hope that you got my logic here. Talking about euro dollar, as you can see, again the price didn't manage to reach our major structural resistance cluster that we identified in the previous video, and you can see that we formed a very nice doji candle yesterday, and today we see quite bearish day. Our closest major daily support is right here, and you can see that technically speaking right now the price is trading just between two major structural levels, and so far of course selling is not an option for us from a current perspective, and buying is not an option. We must let the price reach the structure clusters first before we open any trading position. But if you are intraday trader, if you trade, if you scalp the market, if you trade on 15 minutes, 30 minutes, then I can show you from where you can trade next week. I'm on a 4-hour chart, and do you see any bearish clue right here? Let me show you. If we follow the higher lows, if we follow this higher lows, you can see that we have very nice rising trend line right here. If we follow the higher highs, you can see we have this rising wedge pattern. And what do we see right now? We see the breakout of the wedge. You can see that in 2 hours the 4-hour candle will close, but definitely we are trading beyond the boundaries of this wedge, and right now the market is quite far from its support. So next week, if you are a scalper, what I would suggest you doing is first of all, let the price close below the support of the wedge. Yes, let the price confirm the breakout. Yes, I know that most likely it will be confirmed, but still, everything can happen, and that candle can turn to a rejection candle, bullish rejection candle with a long wick. So first of all, let the price close below the support of the wedge. Then look for the retest of the wedge, and here will be your point from where you will look for shorting. From here you will look for shorting, and with the 30 minutes, 15 minutes confirmation, you short and you try to catch a bearish continuation to where? To the daily support that we identified, yes, on a daily chart. So you can see that though on a daily definitely the market remains bullish, definitely we see a very sharp bullish trend, but on intraday time frames we will already see that the market is slowing down. We see that the market is exhausted and the market just needs the retracement. The market just needs to correct itself before it will reach our major yellow structure cluster. So this breakout is a very important clue, and for you the retest of this wedge can give a very nice shorting opportunity. And talking about Ethereum, I must say that Ethereum is my favorite altcoin. And you know, I was mining Ethereum, I hold a lot of Ethereum, and I just love this coin. I don't know why, but I just love this coin. But at the same time, so I'm telling you that just to show you that I'm biased right here, and I definitely want it to grow. But though I want it to grow, I rely on technical analysis for making predictions. And what do I see here right now? Analyzing daily chart. Look, over here I see this major rising trend line, very strong daily trend line. And taking this higher levels, you can see that right now Ethereum is trading in this major rising channel. And moreover, you can see that yesterday we formed this very cute doji candle, just perfectly on the resistance of this channel. So I'm showing you that because it looks like the market is preparing for the retracement right here. You can see that just recently we had two 20% retracements on Ethereum. They were quite quick, but still they happened. And first of all, it is the indication for you that you may have a chance to catch the Ethereum on a very nice discount. You can wait until the support of this channel is reached, and then you can buy it with the 20% discount, yes, and to add some coins in your crypto portfolio. Or if you are a trader, definitely you can look for shorting opportunities from the resistance of this channel. And let me show you on the 4-hour what confirmation I am looking at. And sorry I made a mistake, we will discuss 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, what I see is, I see this very nice rising trend line. You can see how nicely this trend line is respected so far. And again, what we have right here, we have this tiny rising wedge pattern. And you can see how weak the market is right now. We see the lower high right here, and definitely it looks like the market is quite exhausted. So to short it wisely, what I want you to do is also look over here. We have this very nice horizontal structure, and if we follow the price action based on that horizontal structure, we also have a potential head and shoulders pattern right here. So what I want to see not only the breakout of the wedge, because you know chances are high that it will be a false signal, but I want to see the breakout of this horizontal structure as well, the violation of the so-called neckline. And then shorting on a retest, we can have just a great shorting opportunity. You know, I know that it is the counter trend trade. I know that it is very risky. I know that chances will be high to be stopped out. But if we are right here, our take profit will be all the way down based on the support of the channel that we identified. So it can be just very nice shorting opportunity. And moreover, as we discussed previously, when Ethereum started to fall, it was very fast, it was very quick. So in case if we catch this movement, we will get our cash quite quickly. So this is your plan to follow to short Ethereum. Hey traders, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, if you don't understand something, just leave a comment in the comment section. I always reply to all your questions. I always try to help you. So just don't be shy and write your question in the comment section. Also, don't forget to check my premium educational group. It is the last chance to get a discount. Check the link in the description below. Also, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you next week. Thank you so much, traders.